CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines, page 6, part 14. Levels of E&M services, and this is a continuation. We are giving details of the levels of E&M services, right? And this reads like this.
Although the first two of the contributory factors,
counseling and coordination of care,
are important E&M
services,
evaluation and management, it is not required that these services be provided at every patient encounter.
Right. So what this is telling you is that there are two contributory factors, counseling and coordination of care, which can be present in an encounter or cannot. Right? There is no need for those. It's different with the first three, which is history and physical and medical decision. Those you always have to have, otherwise there's no reason for the encounter. But these two extras, they might be there or not be there, right? And there's a little more explanation in the little picture down there, right?
Right.
You can just read that. And that is our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 282, exercise 197, and this is a level 0 exercise, which means that it's very easy. And it reads like this. The title reads, blood transfusion. And the text reads, Review.
Blood transfusion of 3 units of packed red blood cells.
Blood transfusion of 3 units of packed red blood cells. That is the procedure. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 36430. Did you get that? If you got that, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip, or a couple of tips. It's a level 0 one because it's very straightforward. The first thing you have to do is you have to start with
transfusion.
Go to the T in the index and start with transfusion. Okay. Now another thing that you might wonder, is there the different code for a different amounts of transfusion? And the answer is no. Ignore the amount. So the 3 units of packed red blood cells, it doesn't matter for the code. Okay. And then if you want to understand a little bit more about what is the procedure, we have links here to understand blood transfusion. The A+, as usual, are the ones that we advise you to see. So there's 1, 2, 3. Go a little further down. There's 3 A+. Please watch those videos and you'll understand what blood transfusion is. And if you are more interested in this, you can just see the other links too that don't have A+, okay? So you have the tips, you have the links, and you have the answer, 36430. You have everything to give us now the path. So we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path for this code, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. The problem is a review. There's a blood transfusion of 3 units of packed red blood cells, right? So there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to transfusion.
Start with transfusion, with the T for transfusion. And then
you go to blood.
Choose blood, right? And there is a code right there, right?
Yeah.
36430, right? There is another indentation for more details, but here we don't have more details. So you just stop in blood, right? Now, we're going to go to the tabular to check if this is the right code. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you start with the code 36430.
Yeah, in the tabular is organized numerical by order. So go to that number, 36430, right? What is that?
Transfusion.
Transfusion.
Blood or blood components.
Blood or blood components. And you see that in the text of this code, it doesn't tell you how much, right? It doesn't tell you if there's a code for 3 units or there's a different code for 2 units or 1 unit. It doesn't tell you. So the amount is irrelevant for the code, right? So we have an equal sign at the end, which means that we found our code. So the answer is 36430. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, after you click in the red rectangle, you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all those need to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and to subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.